unboxing of a gift I got from Visible. This came in the mail about 6 days ago. I haven't opened it yet, but I got an email before this came confirming my address to say that they wanted to send me something. Thanks for being a customer. I've been a customer for a few months now. Upon sign up, I got a $50 Amazon credit, and I also got an email recently saying, hey, if I want to get a new phone, I could get up to a $200 gift card, depending on how much I spent. But this is just a gift for being a customer of Visible. Joined in on the beta a few months ago. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this right now. Just using keys to get this open. Let's cut through this tape. Good spot. Yep. Just tape on the side. Alright, should be good to go. And we're unboxing now. Alright, let's see what we have here. Captain Marvel in theaters March 8th. Visible perks. Welcome to the future of phone service. Okay. See, it's official. You're one of us now. Welcome and thanks for joining the mission to save the future of phone service. You might be wondering why we're partnering with Captain Marvel. Well, isn't it obvious? She's fighting the Skrulls and we're finding outdated phone service. Guess you could say we're both out here saving the world. On top of goodies in here, there may or may not be another surprise hitting for your inbox. Hint, there is. So keep an eye on your email while you chow down on this candy and popcorn. Enjoy. Visible perks. I assume this is, some kind of popcorn or treat or something. Let's see what's in this box. All right, the popcorn's in here. Okay. That's what it looks like. Some popcorn. I guess it's a treat you can sneak into the movie theater if you want to. And let's see what's in this thing, this container. Okay, here's the goodies. Twizzlers, always good. M&M's, Sour Patch Kids. Looks like we're in business. So yeah, that's cool. It's probably be a little something to snack on while you at the crib chilling, watching TV, doing whatever. Yep, Visible hooked it up. Appreciate you, Visible. Had to be a customer. I would even pay extra $5 for the service because it's that good. Even though the upload-download speed is limited to 5 megabits per second, that's still good enough for what I need to do. Watching video, tethering, and even uploading the videos to YouTube, especially 1080p quality videos. So, it's a non-issue for me. I enjoy the service. Unlimited, text, voice. Of course, the data is unlimited. It could be deprioritized in certain scenarios, but I haven't really experienced that because I'm not sure how many people, at least in the areas I've been at, have been using the Verizon network. At least, yes, I had only kind of slowdown I had probably stuck in traffic. I guess when people have everything hooked up to their car plays and on their phones, etc., and maybe it's during the rush hour time. So But yeah, other than that, just being at any location, haven't had any issues thus far. No issues with the service going out as well. None of that. Heard some people who had issues early on in the beta, but by the time I joined, that was cleared up. So it was only one time. Actually, yeah, only one time I had an issue. It was when I went to no service area and then went back into a service area, and that was going from indoors to outdoors, I believe, and I just had to restart the phone, and that was that. So yeah, thanks Visible for the goodies. Appreciate it. Looking forward to being a customer for a long time. Even if the price went up $5, I would stick with it. All right, Iceberg Jim out. Deuces.